Okay, so as I get a cheap little flashlight for Pocket EDC, hopefully I can actually open it. It's a Open Trails branded. Comes with two AAA, I think. No, uses two AA sub batteries included. That's good. Yeah. I see. I don't care if it's like the most expensive brand ever. Oh, I should really got a knife, but oh well. Whatever. So yeah, I was gonna get something like this yesterday, but Dollar General's globally or wherever they are, their thing was down. So I got my trying to video pad. I didn't carry enough with me today. It is made in China, but I don't care. I see a small little flashlight. It's a Luma flashlight. Yeah. I'm going to put the batteries in here because they include them, so why not? Hey, this is sharp enough. I see a battery, not battery, but a flashlight just to have as a EDC thing. So yeah. Also put that pepper spray on my keychain today, because I finally got time. You know, even though I carry a EDC knife, supposedly now, because it's not with me. Okay, so it's gonna be a pain in the butt. Okay, so it's gonna be a pain in the butt, ain't it? Oh, cool. Wait, I should have. I'm assuming lights or whatever goes in here. Please don't have one of those stupid things I hate. Oh god. I'm assuming this way. By the way, these are like the Dorsey brand. Oh jeez. And of course this wouldn't be freaking coming out easily. Let's see. Yep. Dear God. That's pretty damn bright. That is pretty darn bright. Pretty sure it doesn't have a thing for it. I don't know if it has it, but it has a lanyard thing, which I'm going to pretty cut out because I'm going to put it in my pocket. So yeah, it's a Open Trails branded, and it's freaking bright. I don't know how many modes it has. You see, it doesn't tell me, but honestly, it actually fits on my head nice, so I can, yeah. So yeah, that's my newest flashlight. You put it in my pocket, because I'm going to be carrying it, so, obviously. Anyway, all, hope you like that. Peace.